what I missed. Flowers and grass. Supposedly they have a place that will fix your phone here at Walmart. Okay, so that's finished. That was the most expensive mistake. I thought it was just gonna be like $50 or something, which I thought was still a lot. $200, well, $190 when I walked out, with $175 for the screen, $25 for a new case that hopefully will prevent this from happening again. Lesson learned. You ready to go outside again? We've got grass and concrete. Look at that kid. Good job, kid. I'm not used to seeing men with beards wearing ladies' outfits. The whole dress, everything. I'm just not used to it, you know? Do you hear that? City camping. Parked in a parking lot. You know, the first night it's just like really obvious noise pollution. Second, third night you don't even notice it. It's funny how just your brain just acclimates. This will be the last time we see this broken mess. This thing is finally gonna get fixed. This is what we do while we wait. Keep her occupied. Shouldn't take too long. You know what I just realized was, you know, they have a really nice sitting room, you know, waiting room. And I sat down and it's like the TV, it was just too much noise. And even, I know I could turn it off, but it was just like, I felt claustrophobic. I was just like, I would rather sit outside. I'm so used to being outside that being in a building makes me feel claustrophobic. I couldn't even sit in the waiting room. I was just like, I'd rather just sit on the curb here and wait. I'm so uncivilized. I met a guy who has my perfect rig. There it is, right there. I told him, you're driving my dream rig. And he said he loves it. He got such a good deal on it. And he gave me some ideas. All done? I don't know if you can see it, but that is a brand new awning. Let's see if we can open it up. Stay with me. There you go, good girl. Just a little bit of a breeze. Look at this, no water stains. You know, my old one had water stains. And then I want to get, look how beautiful. It's clean. I still have my LED light there. So what I want to get, okay, I'll let you in a minute. What I want to get is, there's a little, that one section didn't come down because the wind's blowing it. But what I want to get is there's a part that you zip up here and then you bring it down and it gives you privacy. Bring it back in. Smooth. I like the color too. Very nice. Very happy with it. Are you happy with it? You want to go inside, don't you? Okay. Let's go back inside. She's exhausted. We are at Orange Park in Irvine. That park was not here last time I was here. They built that whole water park. Feels good to get a haircut.